New drug Gefapixant could be a game changer for chronic cough patients. In a global trial led by Professor Surinder Bairing, a leading lung doctor found that Gefapixant reduces a person's coughing by up to 60% and brings some relief to 70% of those who take it. As per doctor, it is very effective treatment that works in most patients with chronic cough. It was found to be safe and effective in clinical trial. It is major advance in the field of cough. As per doctor, there was 60% of reduction in cough frequency with Gefapixant. People slept better, had lesser chest pains, and they were less tired and better able to go about their lives. And there was significant improvement in their quality of life in around 70% of patients who receiving Gefapixant. It's found in another study, Gefapixant reduces coughing in patients and blocks ATP and distilled water induced cough, but not cough evoked by citric acid or capsaicin, suggesting a unique TRPV4 ATP pathway may underline cough hypersensitivity seen in chronic refractory cough. So, Gefapixant seems game changer in patients with chronic coughs. Kindly subscribe to our channel to stay connected, stay updated. For more detail of study, there is a link in description. You can have a look. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch.